How often should you see a personal trainer? Well, this depends on many different factors. One, if you have the ability and disposable income that you can see someone 2 or 3 times a week, obviously the more you're seeing a professional, the better it's going to be. However, for many people that are either raising a young family, starting a new business, getting into building their marriage and they're just getting married, or for someone that's in school that maybe has a little bit of financial constraints, the most important thing you're going to need from the trainer, or in terms of frequency, is going to be three things. One, do you have a proper program they've provided you so you can understand what to do when they are not with you? Not when they're with you, but when they're not with you. Number two, do you have nutritional education or some form of program design that has been given to you that teaches you what you should be eating for your exact body type? And number three, do you have regular body composition or reassessment dates with that coach that's going to keep you accountable? Because I can work with the best coach in the world and they can train me 4 times a week, 3 times a week. But if they're not measuring my progress and not giving me ways to break my plateaus, I'm not really getting better. Versus me seeing a coach 1 time a week, and that coach can give me a workout plan, nutritional advice for the week, and then tell me on Sunday we're going to do a body comp. And then every Sunday they spend 10 minutes with me going over what are my wins, what are my areas of improvement, and then giving me marching orders to follow through. So if you're looking at hiring a personal trainer, the first thing you want to look at is what deliverables are they going to be giving you? And then number two, how are they going to keep you accountable?